Today we'll talk about how can you create on your PowerPoint app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to create on your PowerPoint app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. You just go here, go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you come to create in, and here can you just create in this list here, in this list on your PowerPoint app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So just follow this ways here, then it's going to work with you. Then here can you select type. Just click here on go to settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just go down here to enable PowerPoint. You will find it here. You enable it here. Then automatically here it's going to use with you to create like you see here on your PowerPoint app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.